Speaking English gives you the power to achieve your business and life goals. NEI helps you focus on the English that matters to you. Meet Manabu Imada. He works as a researcher at a pharmaceutical company. Manabu began studying at NEI to communicate with overseas partners. Dave, an education director, welcomes Manabu and reviews his NEI score with him. Manabu talks about his career goals and his family, and how he enjoys cycling and cooking in his free time. From his profile, the NEI system builds an individual plan to help Manabu overcome his challenges. After every one-on-one with NEI teachers, Manabu gets assignments that match his individual plan. He rates these assignments on difficulty and relevance. NEI's machine learning engine uses this information to select the perfect content for him. All of our teachers are North American native speakers. They're certified in teaching English as a second language. Also, NEI matches each student with a specialist. Dave regularly mentors Manabu to help him reach his goals. Manabu's NEI score is not just a standard test. It's a detailed professional evaluation of his ability to communicate. It breaks down his progress in pronunciation, grammar, vocabulary, and fluency. Manabu studies 90 minutes each week, and after a year, his NEI score increases significantly, and he now enjoys communicating with international colleagues. Manabu's boss is impressed. She sees her team interacting in English with confidence. The number of her staff members who can work in English is exploding. Now, the company is a global competitor. You're ready to commit. NEI is ready to support you.